Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get back your deleted messages from Telegram groups and channels. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Telegram application on your phone and open the group or channel that contains the message that you want to get back. You can use the search bar at the top to find the group or channel easily. Step 2. Tap and hold onto the message that you want to delete. A menu will pop up at the bottom of the screen with several options. Tap on the delete option to delete the message. You can also select multiple messages by tapping on them one by one. Step 3. A confirmation prompt will appear on the screen asking you if you want to delete the message for yourself or for everyone. If you delete the message for everyone, it will disappear from the group or channel for all the members. If you delete the message for yourself, it will only disappear from your chat history. Choose the option that suits your needs and tap on delete. Step 4. As soon as you delete the message, an undo option will appear at the bottom of the screen. This option will only be available for a few seconds, so you have to act fast. Tap on the undo option to restore the message that you just deleted. The message will reappear in the group or channel as if nothing happened. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.